About this item: laptop computer Apple MacBook repair tool kit. The small screwdriver tools kit for MacBook repair includes the must-have P2 P5 T3 T5 PH000 screwdriver for MacBook Air/Pro and Retina. Pentalobal P5 screwdriver 1.2 mm used for opening the back panel screws of MacBook. 5-pointed star screwdriver specially designed for Apple laptop disassembly and repair. Torx T5 for MacBook Air and Pro can remove fan screws, including SSD or hard disk replacement. PH000 plus 1.5 mm Phillips. Work on these internal Phillips screws. Mobile phone Apple iPhone screwdriver repair tools kit. Precision magnetic small screwdriver bits includes the must-have Phillips head PH000, PH00, Pentalobe P2. Y-head Y000 Y0.6 tri-wing screwdriver, special designed for all Apple iPhone models. The phone repair tools kit compatible with iPhone and other smartphone. It is a great many precision screwdrivers tools kit to repair your iPhone 13/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/12/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/11/10/XR/XS/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6/6 Plus/5S/5/5C/4S/4/SE/iPod/Apple Watch